Hey legends, this is Ron from Optimized Effects. Welcome to 2025. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas and an awesome New Year's. I'm really looking forward to sharing what I've got coming up and the start of the year. So let's get stuck into it, shall we? So what we can see on the chart right now is Currency Engine. It is a brand new EA that I've been developing for quite a while now. And long story short, it is a buy and sell EA. It can do buys and sells, or simultaneously I should say, and it can do drawdown reduction, and it also has a special hedge drawdown reduction module that I've been developing as well. Yeah, so there'll be more coming out on this. I've got a small group of people that are testing it for me right now. Hopefully I'll get some feedback soon as to what can be improved. They have been providing me feedback, which is awesome. It can trade multiple currencies at once. And you can trade one currency if you want. You can trade multiple. It can trade gold. It can trade foreign exchange currencies. It can trade Bitcoin if you really want to. And yeah, it's can do multiple things. It's pretty cool. Now the other things I want to share just quickly as well is optimizedeffects.com. So basically, I'm going to be overhauling this whole website and changing what features and things like that it's going to have. I will be doing copy trading again soon, but not right now. And it will probably have tutorials and other things like that. I'm still deciding on whether to do this robot database. There is already a blog. I'm going to do some cryptocurrency trading stuff in here as well. Robot optimization, like ideas and things that you can do to try and improve, and trading strategies and things like that. So it's going to have all this kind of stuff. But it's not going to have like a proper learning school. This is what I envisioned at the start of last year. The other cool thing, and probably the most coolest thing that I've been working with lately, is Tradalytix. Now, if you don't know what Tradalytix is, it is basically a trading analytics software platform, much like my FX Book and FX Blue. The main difference between mine and theirs is that mine will be much easier to use, and it'll also have kind of AI capabilities as well. So this is the main page. Currently I'm not allowing anyone to sign up to it, and this is not done yet, just by the way. This pricing is not done, and all the features and all that kind of stuff is not done. This is just like a placeholder for now. It is live, you can go to it, but it's not really functional. It's just there. We'll go and have a look at the home page. I'll get to the sentiment shortly. But the home page will have like your total balance of all your accounts, your gain, your loss, your most recent trades, and maybe an AI portfolio prediction. I'm still deciding on whether to implement AI into any of this or not. You will be able to add accounts. Now, adding an account, you download a publisher, or the Tradalytix publisher EA. You add it to the chart. You create an account here. You copy the ID, and then you go and put it in the publisher, and it sends the data to the back end of all of this once every 24 or 12 hours. And yeah, and then you watch all the trades populate in the back end or in your account. Right now there's nothing for me to show. For some reason all the trades and all of that kind of stuff are not coming through, but I'll probably fix that soon. Kind of sucks for this video that it didn't work, but you kind of get an idea of what you will see when there is data there. So there'll be balance, equity, profit, current drawdown, the account history in a graph, and your most recent trades will be down here on the right. I'm sure that you saw sentiment. This is something that does work like it should. So this is Forex Live Currency Sentiment. You will get access to this free of charge when you sign up to Tradalytix. You also get one, I'm still deciding on the free tier. You'll probably get 1 or 2 free accounts, and there'll be options to create more portfolios and things like that as we go on. But currency sentiment, getting back to that, basically what this does is has a look at all the currency pairs, and it looks at the short, medium and long term, and it kind of determines whether the pair is bullish or bearish. That's all we want to know. And then the coolest thing about this is below here we can see the latest changes. Now these are the ones that have flipped from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish, and we can see that NZD USD was the one that's most recently changed to bearish. And there you have it. Bot library, I'm trying to think if I'm going to have that. Brokers will be there, so it'll be a list of all the brokers that I use and any links to them. Trading skill won't be there, settings will be there, and portfolios is something that is not really built yet, I don't think. No, it's not. This is just a generic page that I've made. There's nothing here, but the idea is that you'll create a portfolio and you'll add accounts to it, and then you can have multiple portfolios with different accounts in them to see how the portfolio performs. So that's pretty cool as well. Rightio, that's pretty much all I've got to share, other than Euro USDs has gone to the moon after a little dip, and we've got Currency Engine that has opened another trade and has moved the take profit back up a little bit to average all of these out. That's pretty much all I've got to share today. I will have another video coming out soon on backtesting and how to get data to backtest and all of that kind of stuff that has been mentioned, that people would like to learn more about that. So I'll do a video about that. That'll come out soon. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.